Today, we're diving into the Auhsuxo replacement cable for Bose QC35 2 headphones. If you've ever found yourself in a situation where your headphone cable has gone kaput, this might be the solution you're looking for. The cable is designed specifically for Bose Quiet Comfort 35, Series 2, Bose On-Ear 2 OE2 OE2i, QC25, QC35, SoundLink, and SoundTrue wireless headphones. The compatibility extends to a range of devices, including laptops, iPods, DVDs, and other portable players, making it versatile for various audio needs. Featuring an angled 3.5mm stereo male connector to a 2.5mm stereo male connector, the cable comes in a clean white color and measures 4.6 feet, 140 centimeters, in length. The length provides flexibility without being excessively long, ensuring a tangle-free experience. The ease of use is a standout feature. It's a plug-and-play solution for those who want a hassle-free replacement for their damaged or lost cables. The cable is not only functional but also adds a touch of style with its sleek white design. Whether you're using Bose QC35, QC35-2, SoundLink on-ear Bluetooth headphones, QC25, OE2, OE2i, or SoundTrue, this replacement cable has you covered. It caters to a wide range of devices, including Apple, Android, and Microsoft products, making it a versatile choice for users with different preferences. In conclusion, the Auhsuxo replacement cable is a reliable and convenient solution for anyone in need of a new headphone cable. It's an affordable option that doesn't compromise on quality, providing an enhanced listening experience for your Bose headphones. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.